are coming up with a series with a machine maker called Manufacturing Maestros, the people who really add a value in a manufacturing sector. ZOLLER, we always try to empower the companies who is really doing an excellent job in their field. So we are going to nominate some companies from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar region, and then we'll have an event in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar on 22nd of March. So we welcome all the manufacturing maestros and the companies around the Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar to be at this event and enjoy this manufacturing maestro series.